Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Couponing with Melissa Love, and happy Saturday. Today we're going to be going over CVS must-do deals starting July the 30th to August the 5th. We have some all-digital deals as well as beginner-friendly deals, and I'm also going to be showing you guys a 10 off of 70 scenario that you guys could definitely do. If you guys are new to this channel, welcome. Take a second and subscribe. It's completely free. If you guys enjoyed this video, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel. So let's begin with these amazing deals. Oh, I am going to be leaving a printable breakdown for you guys in the description box down below, so you guys could take it with you for an easy couponing trip. So let's begin with these deals. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys a preview of the inserts that are coming out this weekend. I am going to be leaving the link for you guys in the description box. We have two inserts, the Save as well as the Smart Source, and these are the coupons for the Save insert. We have that Axe buy one get one free, and the max value is up to $7.50. We have Boost, Cascade, CeraVe, $3, save $2. Those are pretty awesome coupons. Ooh, we also have CoverGirl Cosmetics for $3 off on a face and an eye product, as well as the Dove hand wash, buy one get one free. And we have a ton of Dove coupons, which is awesome. Dove Men, Dove, which is pretty good. All right, we have the Garnier Fructis, $4 off. Listerine, L'Oreal, and vitamins. We have a ton of good stuff. Suave antiperspirant deodorants. We have, we have Tide coupons, $4 off, $1.50 off, $3 off, as well as another $4 off insert coupon. We have Surtec, allergy medicine. All right, so now let's start with the Smart Source insert. We have Astropro for $8 off, $4 off, Benefil dog food as well, Cetaphil. Oh, I love that $6 off a 2 coupon. I love Cetaphil products. Giovanni, Claritin, Ensures. There's a deal on Ensures as well. So yeah, so if you guys do like the coupons, just verify on Sunday. Remember that coupons do vary per region. So if you guys do go on Sunday to buy the newspaper, make sure you have all the coupons for your deals. Our first deal is on the L'Oreal L5 hair care. They're on promotion this week for buy 3 get a $5 extra buck, and we are expecting a $5 on 3 digital coupon. So you're going to go ahead and pick up 3 for $15.87. You're going to use that $3 off of 5 digital coupon, as well as a $3 off of 15 L'Oreal CRT. If you guys do have it, you would pay $7.87 at the register, but get back a $5 extra buck and makes your final cost just $2.87 for all 3 products, or just a 96 cents each, guys, which is pretty awesome. Another amazing deal is on the U by Kotex pads. So they're on promotion this week for buy 2 get a $2 extra buck, and when you buy one, you're going to get the other one 50% off. On this ad, it says on any U by Kotex. So you're going to go ahead and pick up the liners, the 16 count. One of them is going to be priced at $1.89 and the other one at 95 cents. So there's a typo right there, guys. Sorry. So you would pay $2.84, but get back a $2 extra buck and makes your final cost just 84 cents for both, or 42 cents each, guys, which is pretty amazing. So go ahead and pick up this deal if you guys definitely need it, and if the panty liners are included in the promotion. Another deal I'm really excited about is on the Dove hand soap. These are on promotion, buy 2 get a $5 extra buck. So I'm basing it off by online prices, and they are priced at $4.99. So you would pick up 2 for $9.98. You're going to use that $3.99 digital coupon, pay $5.99, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. Makes your final cost just a 99 cents for both, guys, or 49 cents each, which is super amazing. Another great deal is on the Maybelline Cosmetics. They're on promotion, buy 2 get a $5 extra buck, and we are expecting digital coupons as well as a mystery offer CRT. So you're going to go ahead and pick up 2 lipsticks priced at $8.49. It's going to bring your total to $16.98. If we get a $3 digital coupon, and a $3 mystery coupon. I currently have on my CVS app a $3 Maybelline CRT. You would pay $7.98 at the register, but get back a $5 extra buck and makes your final cost just $2.98 for both, or $1.49 each, guys, which is pretty awesome, from $16.98 to $2.98. So that is a great deal. I hope we definitely get these coupons on Sunday, so we just have to double check. So now it's time for our Spend 30, Get Back a $10 extra buck deal, guys. There is a lot of items included in this promotion. We have Axe, we have detergents, we have Secret, we have Old Spice. We have a lot of items included. So I just want to see on Sunday, like if we're going to get any extra coupons, any digital, any CRTs to definitely pair up with. But so far, I came up with this scenario that I really liked. So I'm just going to go ahead and share it with you guys. So you're going to go ahead and pick up a Tide liquid priced at $12.99, a Downy rinse priced at $12.99, the Downy Unstoppable beads that they're going to be priced at $6.99, and the Secret dry spray deodorants. One is going to be priced at $8.49 and the other one 50% off for $4.25. So that's going to bring your total up to $45.70. We are expecting to get digital coupons, so you're going to use that $3 off a Tide liquid coupon, a $3 digital coupon for the Downy rinse, a $2 Downy digital coupon for the Unstoppable beads, a $4 off a 2 digital coupon for the Secret deodorant, and a $3 off a 2 Secret CRT. So you would pay $30.70 at the register, but you guys could definitely roll in some extra bucks. But you're going to get back a $10 extra buck, and you're also going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for $4 cash back. Makes your final cost for all of these items just $16.70 for all 5 items, which is a pretty awesome deal. Our next deal is on the Schick razors. They're on promotion, buy 2 get a $10 extra buck, and we're also expecting $4 digital coupons. So you want to go ahead and pick up a Schick men's razors priced at $12.49 and one woman's razors priced at $12.49. Your total is going to be $24.98. You're going to use a $4 digital coupon for the men's razor and a $4 digital coupon for the woman's razor. You would pay $16.98 at the register, but get back a $10 extra buck and makes your final cost just $6.98 for both, or $3.49 each one, guys, which is pretty amazing because you're grabbing these razors from $24 to only $6.98. Which is pretty awesome. Time for our 10 off of 70 scenario. So you want to go ahead and pick up the L'Oreal Elvive for $15.97, the Dove hand soap for $9.98, the Tide liquid for $12.99, the Downy rinse $12.99, the Downy Unstoppable beads for $6.99, and the Secret dry spray deodorants for $12.74. That's going to bring your total to $71.56. So these are all the digital coupons you guys are going to be using: the 10 off of 70, the $5 off of 3 L5 digital, the $3.99 digital Dove hand soap, the $3 digital coupon for the Tide, the $3 digital coupon for the Downy rinse, the $2 digital coupon for the Downy beads, the $4 off of 2 digital coupon for the Secret, and that $3 off of 2 Secret CRT. Making your total in coupons a $33.99. You're going to pay a $37.57 at the register. You could definitely roll in some extra bucks. I have about like $20 in extra bucks, so I'm going to go ahead and roll those into this deal. Then you're going to get back a $10 extra buck for the spend deal, a $5 extra buck for the Elvive, a $5 extra buck for the Dove hand soap, plus you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for $4 cash back for the Secret. Makes your final cost for all 10 items just $13.57, or $1.36 each, guys, which is amazing. You're going to be getting Tide, Downy, and a lot of personal care items for $1.36 each, guys, which is amazing. So if you guys do have the 10 off of 70, definitely consider this into your deals. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Let me know in the comments what deals are you guys excited to do the most. And I am going to be leaving a printable breakdown for you guys in the description box down below. If you guys are new to this channel, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deals and savings. And I will see you guys on Sunday for our CVS haul. Bye. I hope you guys have an amazing night.